support. And my guest star every now and then I'm doing a little makeup tutorial, so I set up a little light. And hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel, if you just see me for the first time, and I am a YouTuber based in Nigeria. I'm sure you must have laughed your heart out from the intro, but in today's video I'm just going to be doing a fun video. I'm going to be following a Kim Kardashian, what did she call it? She called it my work from home beauty routine using KKW Beauty, but I do not have any KKW Beauty product, so I'm going to be using my own tested and trusted products and just follow the routine. Okay, I need my A for effort because I followed the Kim Kardashian cornrow. I did this myself, by the way, even if it's a knockoff version and I look like a potato head with this, but I still need my A, my thumbs up. You guys give me a thumbs up. And I also wore a tee that kind of looks like hers, even though it's not the same color. I tried to get a matching color, but I do not have. And gonna show you guys how I just do a quick little makeup sesh. But when I'm super pale like this, I use Joe Blasco. She just went in with foundation. I'd like to think that she already moisturized her skin and primed, so I'm going to prime because I can't start my makeup without priming. She used the Joe Blasco cream foundation, and I was really shocked when I found out the price. I thought it was going to be very expensive, but I checked it online this morning and it's just $26, guys. $26. A billionaire is using a $26 foundation, and a poor person like me is using a foundation that is over $40. The Lancome Tint Idol foundation. Like, the irony, guys, the irony. I'm done. She said she likes a cream based foundation as opposed to cream liquid, but I'm the opposite. I mean, the key to a good base is always your moisturizer and your serums. And like having good serums that don't pill, it's like the worst. Sis went right into powder, and she said she doesn't powder her whole skin. She just likes to powder some areas because she still has contour. So I don't like powder my whole skin because I still have like the contour and everything. I just like to lightly do it, and then I go back and use Conceal Bake Brighten, and my color that I love is number 7. So much gets on that wand that it's like perfection. Down into my laugh lines a little bit, because I really feel like if you add concealer here, it really kind of helps soften those lines. And I just like to blend. I don't really like to spend a whole lot of time blending, honestly. Is it PE time?
The PE screen is of the movie theater.
So what are you doing? Are you doing the yoga today?
I'm gonna
Pokemon yoga?
No, I want to do maybe a Sonic one or a Pokemon one or the Elsa one.
Okay. So next I'm gonna bake with the KKW Beauty number 2 bake. And even though this is a little wet on the sponge, like it doesn't bother me that it's a little wet. I kind of keep that on for a second. This is like my travel kit in here. And hiding guest room, guys. I'm hiding guest room because my kids will not leave me alone. North, can I please just do my little tutorial? It's all I want to do is one little fun thing for myself. Okay. I'm going to use our contour stick, the KKW Beauty contour stick in medium. And since I'm super pale, I'll pretty much just use the lighter color. So then I get to blending. I'm going to wet my sponge really quick. I've had the powder on it. So you just kind of push it in. Okay. I am going to just
wipe my powder off. Using this Surratt Beauty eyelash curler. It is the best. What I like to do is, since I did the cream contour, I am going to use this palette. This is the medium contour palette. I'll just use the lighter color contour since I'm super pale and just kind of go over it. I feel like it just sets it, just makes me feel, I always like to take a drop and like put it under my nose for some reason. My skin has been looking really good.
My skin has been
looking blemishes. I think I've just been overdoing it. So this is a Amora 14 brush, and I love this color highlighter. It's just really subtle. I like to add it there too. You guys, if you haven't already gotten my blush palette, I love the middle one. I think pink blush just makes you look awake and just youthful. What I do is I always just take contour and I'll mix the two and just kind of go over my eye. Since it's contour, you can kind of like blend it back into your nose. I think this just like gives a little bit of definition. I don't really have my brushes with me, just my little travel brush in this room, and I have this tiny little Charlotte Tilbury one, and I just dip it right into the contour palette and just go under my eye. I always need to shade under my eye. And then if I want that extra shimmer, which I'll use like the lighter pink one, just to kind of add a little bit. Now I'm going to show you guys something so cute that's not out yet. But I love minis, and so I'm making some minis. A little tiny mini KKW Beauty mascara. Oh my god, is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I don't know if I've said this before, but my dad used to always walk by me because I lived, you know, at his house, and my bathroom door would be open while I was putting my makeup on. And he would always say, I bet you can't close your mouth when you put on your mascara. But for some reason with this mini, I can. Now lips. Oh, you know what? I do like to kind of repowder just a little bit. So I just will powder there, a little bit under. I do love a good setting spray. I love Tasha. Tasha gives you like more of a glow. Am I over? Okay, now my favorite lip combo is Nude 1.5. Do you guys notice when I can always tell who does my makeup by the shape of my lips? Mary gives this beautiful pout. Ariel gives this like lip lifting thing where he fills in the Cupid's bow right here. And then Maria likes my lips smaller, like regular. I need to sharpen. But every night I have at least 2 kids with me, either both girls, Salma's in a crib, but I'll either have Shy and Nora or Saint and Nora. They're just me and Saint. Well, we all are quarantined. Okay, so I'll use Nude 1.5. Which lip combo will I do today? Do I want a matte? Which then would be 90s Icon, maybe? Oh, I love our matte lipsticks. Not too peachy. Last step, very important step, is brighten. I love to brighten up under my eyes just a little bit. I think I'll use Brighten 2. I usually use Brighten 1, but because I feel like I did such a good job blending, which is kind of rare, I don't think I need as white, but this sets it all and brightens it. This is the key to like the youthful, like. All right, so that was a quick KKW Beauty, mostly using KKW Beauty products, glam in my guest room, quarantine glam, just to go to the kitchen to get harassed by my kids and on how to do their homework. I at least feel honestly good about myself that I haven't stayed in my pajamas all day and that I actually got up and got dressed and put on some normal clothes and put on some makeup. It really does make you feel good about yourself every once in a while. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed your quick little KKW Beauty social distancing glam session.
Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video by leaving a comment down below and giving this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down so I know what type of video you want to be seeing on my channel. But this was really fun to create. I just wanted to have fun and have some few laughs. And yeah, here is the final look. Some things I will not do when it comes to this routine. I would always outline my brows with very little concealer in my shade, so you can't even see, but my brows are pronounced and they look really neat and clean. Yeah, overall I think her techniques are okay. They are good actually. I like the one where she did the eyeshadow using the contour powder and dragged it down into her nose area. It looked really good, and I love how snatched my nose looked. And which other technique is new for me? Nothing actually. I always brighten underneath my eye when I do makeup, so yeah, it looks okay. Do I look like, oh, I'm flawless, I look extraordinary? No. And I feel like that's the look she was going for. Like she said, it's an easy stay at home type of makeup look. Do I look like I woke up like this? Yes, minus the lipstick. So it looks really natural and very dewy, and my face doesn't feel heavy at all. I can feel my skin, which everything I have on my skin, so I feel that's a win-win. Yeah, without rambling too much, let's just end this video. I don't want to make it a tutorial. It is not a tutorial in any way. Just give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be sure to see you in my next one. Bye.